Hey, what's up, guys? If you're thinking about buying the Senville LETO 210 Mini Split, here's a few things I wish I knew before I bought it. First off, it's very quiet. It powers my whole garage. As you can see, I'm in my garage right now. I work out here. You can have a full-blown conversation in here with not having to speak loud because it's really that quiet. That's one of my favoriteest things about this. And it's currently 110 degrees outside right now. And it's right there, you can see it's at 81. So I just put the car in, so I did have to open the garage. With that being said, it went up just a bit, but it went all the way back down to about 81 degrees. And then right out here is my outdoor unit. It's also just as quiet. That's actually the neighbors over there that you hear, but mine is right here. It's running. It's blowing out all that air, but you can barely hear anything on it. It's super quiet. Got a professional installation to do this. It was actually very easy to install. Got everything hooked up there. All the instructions come in the box. I got it going straight up, as you can see, and then straight down here. And then right on the other side is the inside unit. One of my favorite features is that the remote is just so simple to use. You just push it up or down, however cold you want it. I usually keep it at about 80 since it's 110 out there. Feels really good. Also, you can use the Alexa app. The Alexa app is pretty awesome. So you can either use the remote or you can use the Alexa app, or you can use the actual Senville app. There's a toggle that you can buy and it'll let you use the app for Senville as well. So it's an awesome unit. I can't complain. Got a 210 unit, but actually I could have really got away with a 1.5 unit, but it's not gonna work as hard. So it's a 600 square foot garage and it's just the perfect size for here when it's 110 out there. So guys, if you're looking for a good unit, Senville is the one to get. I love it. I have no complaints. It was worth every single penny. And I wish I just bought it sooner because 2 summers ago, I was dying in here trying to work in the garage while it's 110. So enjoy your buy, guys.